Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a Barnes & Noble's vlog. So come along with me. We're heading there now. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel to not post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. When you have a stroller, so now you just put stuff in the stroller to carry your stuff. So we are back from Barnes & Noble's, and as you guys can see, we are back next to my bookshelf, guys. If you guys have been with me for a couple videos like last year and stuff like that, and for a good 2 years, this is my bookshelf. There's 2 more tiers above it, but the 2 top tiers I have read. On this side is what I have read. This is what I need to complete, and this as well. As you guys see, is looking a bit bare because I did clean out my bookshelf the other day because I want to get rid of some books that I don't plan on reading and they are brand spanking new. Let me know down below what I should do because I'm trying to see what I want to do. I do want to sell some of them, so if there's any places you know of like selling it, I'm trying to get some money out of it, you know. So anyways, onto the book haul. I spent a certain amount of money, so I got a bag, and I got this one that says a bag of books. I bought a couple new releases and a couple books that I wanted to read as well. I'm super excited for this haul. It's not as many books as you would think, but also like I have enough now. I feel like I limited myself, or like there wasn't as many books as I wanted to pick up. There are still some books that I want to pick up in the future, but that's after I read all of these. But yeah, let's just move on. So the first book that I picked up that was right in the front table when I walked into Barnes & Noble's was Abby Jimenez, Say You'll Remember Me, and this is one of her new releases. And I am in love with this cover, guys. Like, this is super duper crazy. Like, oh my goodness, look at the inside. So cute. I can't wait to read this book. I think there's like mixed reviews on this book, so let's see how I feel about it. But I am super excited to read this, and yeah, it's just very springy summer vibes over here. Next book that I was looking for was The Perfect Divorce by Geneva Rose. I read The Perfect Marriage, so when I heard that she was coming out with a new book, I was like, I have to pick this up. So it says till death do us part, yours not mine. And look at this cover as well, guys. Like, the way the author's been like killing it with the covers is super duper crazy. But I can't wait to read this one. Oh, it says Barnes & Noble's exclusive, includes special content. Okay. The next book is a new release as well. I saw it on TikTok while she was signing her books and doing book releases, and I'm like, I have to pick up this book. And this is Summer in the City by Alex Astor. And look at this cover, guys. Super duper cute. And look at what I mean by them going crazy with the sides. I can't wait to read this book. Oh my goodness, look, it's so adorable. It has like the insides like Abby Jimenez's book. Not me getting distracted by reading her cover. Anyways, so can't wait to read this. These 3 books will probably be in a next upcoming video of like reading new releases and stuff like that, because I can't wait to read these books. I feel like I'm going to like dig into one of these right after this video, even though I have to do a whole separate video on another book. But let me calm myself down. The next book is Promise Me Sunshine by Cara Bastone. I have never heard of this author, but I have seen this book on TikTok, and I did read the back. Oh, it's kind of messed up in the back, but it's okay. I saw this on TikTok and it seemed interesting, so I was like, I have to pick this up. So that's gonna be a good summer spring vibe as well. Next one is The Temporary Roomie by Sarah Adams. I read this cheat sheet by her and it was a very quick read, so I decided to pick up another one of her books. Like, I love her books because they're like floppy. And look at 300 something pages in this book, and it looks like a good 200. Like, that's how thin this book is. But I found this interesting because it was about a girl who was like unexpectedly pregnant, and then she meets a guy. It's just this whole thing, so I found it interesting. This cover is amazing as well. Next is Beneath the Stands by Emily McIntyre, and this is part of the Sugar Lake series, and this is book 2. Let me know if I need to pick up book 1, because I'm not really into series at the moment. I'm not really trying to pick up any books that are part of series, so if I do have to read the first one, let me know. But this one seemed interesting. So it was about like this basketball player that he became a coach, blah 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 blah, all that. So let me know if I do need to pick up the other book, because then I'm gonna have to. Obviously they mention each other's names in the books, but you know, some books go along with the other one and others don't, so let me know. As you guys saw, that was literally all romance besides one. And I usually don't pick up a lot of romances. I pick up a lot of mysteries and thrillers lately, so that was a literal change. But besides The Perfect Divorce, I had to pick up another mystery slash thriller, so I picked up The Orphanage by the Lake by Daniel G. Miller. I have never read this author, and I also never heard about this book, so I can't wait to read this, because this was just sitting on the shelf like this in Barnes & Noble's, and I was like, okay, this got the scary vibes, The Orphanage, you know. So, and then I read the back and it seemed interesting, so I was like, let me pick this up. So yeah, that was literally all the books I got, which is surprising. I feel like I've always gotten more books, but it is okay, because I have to get through my TBR back here and also the other books that I have. So I can't wait to read all these books. Oh my goodness, that looks like so aesthetically pleasing. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.